Hello guys, welcome to Ajo channel. Today we talk about fonts that provided by Google. As we know, fonts is one of a good element for your design, even if it's for web design or application design or everything. So here we go. First, open your browser and then types on address bar fonts.google.com, enter. Okay, like you see here, a lot of type of fonts that provided by Google. Here we go. On the right side, on category side is you can see on check point is serif, sans serif, display, and other. And you can see a lot of fonts that we can use, even if it's for webs or all of your design. So if you wanna search of your fonts that you want, you can put your cursor on here, search, and you can type anything you want. Like we talk about maybe lobster, yeah, they will show up lobster font, lobster 2. Okay, or you just need to look around everything. Maybe on categories you can uncheck another, so we can see about serif categories. Here they are. Is serif category, serif fonts, yeah. Or just handwriting, yeah. This is a handwriting side. Okay, or monospace, or everything, or display, yeah. Like you see, there is a lot of type of fonts that you can use. So maybe you choose one of them. I can say maybe Audio White. Okay, I wanna use this font for my design. For example, I want to use this font for my website. So you can click on the plus sign like this. So they will show up about one family selected. So how we use it? Yeah, you just click that on the bottom side. Standard and import. This is the code you can put on your style sheet on your web. Put this code on your style sheet. Just copy and paste it, so you use it on family and Audio White. This is used for your CSS style sheet. This is used for website, yeah. Or you can import it. Now this is how you import the fonts. Here how you use it, and here how you import it. Or you just wanna download it and you wanna install it to your computer, so you just click on the download side, yeah. Okay, click your download, then the font will be downloaded. Okay, you just open it, show in folder, open it, and you can install it. Yeah, it's simple. We can use it, and we install it on our computer, and we can use it for our design. So it's simple, not so hard. You can try it. Or maybe like this, I wanna clear all first. Now we search more than one font. Maybe we selected what we want, and then we use it, we download it in one time. So I wanna choose like this one, or this one, and this one. Yeah, I have 3 family fonts selected: Fredoka one, Poiret one, and Passion one. On style sheet of or if we wanna use it on our website, so just copy it and paste it on our style sheet page, yeah, or import it. just choose one. You wanna import or standard, just choose one. This is how you use it. Okay, or if we just wanna download it, just click download. Okay, they download it. Yeah, this Fredo Kawan, Passion One, and what that I have downloaded, that I have choose it. Where that one? Okay, that's simple. That just simple it. Okay, I hope this is you can use, and this is useful for you. Well, thanks for watching, and please support us by click like and click subscribe and put the bell is on. So bye bye, see ya.